Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is your teacher Hina. And dear students, today we are going to understand P2. P2 of Islamiyat, Cambridge. Right? And I have already discussed with you that the same paper pattern, the same syllabus, the same marks distribution, the same duration of time, each and everything is same for both GCE O levels and then IGCSE paper. I'm sure this thing is clear to all of you. Now beta, we are going to understand our paper pattern of P2 Islamiyat. So a lot of things of P2 are similar to P1 of Islamiyat, like the number of questions. How many questions? Total 5 questions will be provided to all of you in P2 of Islamiyat, the way in paper 1, in the same way. Okay, so out of these 5, question 1 and question 2 are compulsory questions, and you people are supposed to attempt 2 more questions, okay, from the other 3 questions, like question 1, 2 compulsory. Then question 3, 4, 5. Out of 3, 4, 5, you people are supposed to attempt any 2 of your choice. So you will have to skip 1 question. Clear? Okay, now come to question 1. Question 1 will be asked from the chapter of Ahadith. Right, beta? Ahadith, the sayings of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, so 20 ahadith are the part of your syllabus, and out of these 20 ahadith, in your paper, in question 1, 4 ahadith will be provided to all of you, and out of these 4, आपको कितने attempt करने हैं? Any 2 of your choice. Any 2 of your choice. Okay. Question 1, it consists of 2 parts. ठीक है? A part and then B part. A part is of 4 marks and then B part is of again 4 marks. If you talk about the A part, so in this A part, you people are supposed to write the main teachings of 2 selected ahadith. ठीक है? And then for B part, you people will be writing the implementations of these ahadith, ठीक है, that you have selected for A part. Clear? What about B part? What is meant by implementation? Implementation means the question 1, the question will be asked like this कि what does the following hadith teach us, right? और फिर आप 2 hadith के बारे में you will be writing by this hadith teaches us this hadith teaches us this. In this way, after attempting 2 hadith, then in B part the question is asked कि how can we put the teaching of this hadith into action, means implementation in our daily life. ठीक है ना? How is it possible? How can we do these things? So things related to this concept will be the part of B part. Okay, so after attempting question 1, then you people are supposed to solve question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. All questions are of 14 marks, completely similar to P1 of Islamiyat. Okay, question 2 will be asked from chapter History and Importance of Hadith. ठीक है? History and Importance of Hadith. In this chapter, you will be learning about the compilation of Hadith. How was the Hadith compiled in different eras? ठीक है? And then after compilation of Hadith, you will be understanding the types of Hadith in this chapter. And then the Sahasitta, 6 authentic books of Ahadith. So things related to Ahadith are the part of this chapter. And questions, question 2, ठीक है, it will be asked from this chapter of 14 marks. 14 marks distribution is 10 marks for A part and 4 marks for B part. Okay. अच्छा, 10 marks means 10 marks are more than 4 marks. So it means that in this part the answer in detailed form will be required by all of you. ठीक है? Then question number 3, again of 14 marks. The chapter is the period of rule of the rightly guided caliphs and their importance as leaders. Here we know 4 caliphs are the part of this chapter: Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman and Ali Razila Ta'ala anhum. ठीक है? From their life when they became the caliphs, ठीक है, what did they do for the cause of Islam? What was their role for the Muslim Ummah? What have they done in Islamic history, right? As a leader, as a Muslim leader, or as a caliph, right? So questions related to their caliphate will be asked in question number 3. Acha. Question number 3, A part 10 marks and then B part 4 marks. Now come to beta. Question number 3 will definitely be asked from this chapter, the caliphs. ठीक है? But question 4 can also be asked. Not compulsory. ठीक है ना? But it can be asked. But one question from this chapter is compulsory. Another question can also be asked. Same rule goes for question 4. Question 4, what is question 4? देखिए भाई, question number 3 तो confirm है ना from this chapter. ठीक है, आ गया एक question. One question is done. Now question 4 is asked of 14 marks from the chapter, the last chapter of our Islamiyat book. Chapter is the articles of faith and the pillars of Islam. From this chapter, one question of 14 marks will be asked. Now, if only one question is asked from the life of the caliphs, so 2 questions will be asked from this chapter. Or another thing is, if only one question is asked from the articles of faith and pillars of Islam, if only one question is asked, so then 2 questions will be asked from this chapter, because total there are 5 questions. 1 and 2 clear. 1 and 2 में there is no problem at all. 1 and 2 are compulsory. You will have to attempt them at any cost. ठीक है, and वहाँ पे कोई problem भी नहीं है. एक एक question ही आता है from chapter 1 and then chapter 2. But the thing is कि now we are left with 3 more questions ना. Question 3, 4, 5. ठीक है ना? तो question number 3 from chapter 3. ठीक है, और question 4 from chapter 4. What about question 5? ठीक है, तो ये जो एक एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन है ना, it can either be asked from chapter 3 or from chapter 4. This is my point. This is what I wanted to make you understand. If you still have any query, comment section is open for all of you. You can leave your comment. I will definitely be giving you answers. All right. Now let's calculate the marks. Question 1 8 marks, question 2 14 marks, question 3 14 marks, and then question 4 14 and question 5 14. ठीक है, these are compulsory and out of these you are supposed to attempt any 2 of your choice. So let's add these marks 8 plus 14 and then यहाँ से आपको कोई से 2 अटेम्प्ट करने हैं और 14 and 40 मार्क्स. तो 14 कितना होता है 28. तो 28 को यहाँ ऐड करेंगे तो कितना बनेगा बेटा आपके पास? It will be 50 marks. Clear? I hope the things are clear to all of you. Inshallah, we will meet in another video. Thank you so much.